In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Forms attendance sheet and student surveys. Whether you're an educator looking for a simple attendance solution or wanting to gather feedback from your students, Google Forms can be an invaluable tool. Let's dive into the process step by step to help you set it up effectively. To get started, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google Forms. Simply type Google Forms in your search engine and click on the link that takes you to the Forms page. You'll need to be signed into your Google account for this, so if you're not, make sure to log in. Once you're on the Google Forms homepage, you'll see a blank form option. Click it to open a new form. At the top of your new form, you'll see a place to enter the title. You might name this Attendance Sheet if you're planning to keep tabs on attendance, or Student Survey if your goal is to gather feedback. It's all about clarity, so choose a title that suits its purpose. Right beneath the title section, you have the opportunity to give your form a description, which can be useful for giving students a quick context or instructions on how to fill out the form. Now, let's add the necessary fields. The first field you'll create should be for collecting names. You'll click on the default untitled question and type name here. Make sure this field is required by toggling the required button at the bottom. Next, you can add another field for the date, especially if it's for attendance purposes. Click the plus sign to add a new question and label it Date. This way, every time students fill out the form, they can specify which day they're attending or providing feedback for. If you're creating a student survey, consider adding questions in multiple choice format to make it easy for them to provide quick, concise feedback. You can customize the form to suit your needs, whether adding drop-downs, linear scales, or short answer sections. This part is all about tailoring the survey so that you collect the specific information you need. After setting up your questions, go ahead and personalize the design. By clicking on the palette icon, you can choose different colors and themes to make the form visually engaging. While this doesn't impact functionality, a visually pleasing form might encourage more students to engage with it. Once you're satisfied with your form, it's time to preview it by clicking on the eye icon. Ensure everything looks right and all required fields are appropriately marked. If something doesn't seem quite right, you can easily edit it from here. When all is good, you're ready to share it. Hit the Send button at the top right. You can share the link directly, email it to your students, or even generate a QR code for easy access. No matter the method, ensure you communicate effectively with your recipients on how to fill it out and submit it. And that's it. You've successfully created a Google Forms attendance sheet or student survey. With this flexible tool, collecting responses is now effortless, and you can view the responses directly in Google Forms or link them to a Google Sheet for more detailed analysis. Be sure to check back often to monitor your responses, and don't hesitate to make tweaks as necessary based on the feedback you gather.